Okay, so the next step we're doing is we're going to actually now measure this angle. And this is a tricky angle because if you see it says it's 45 degrees by 4. That means each corner is that same thing. That's why it has times 4. Now, if we look at this, this goes down 2 inches and it's down here. So this little side is going to be 1.5 inches tall. So 1.5 inches and divided by 2 is going to be 0.75. So I'm going to go up 0.75 plus 1/2 inch or 0.5. So that's going to be 1 1/4 inch. So if it's at 45, we're going to go up 1 1/4 inch and over 1 1/4 inch. So we'll put those in, then we'll just connect the two sides. So watch, it's like this. So I can just put it on there. I'm going to use the marker so you can see better. And we're going to go 1 1/4 inch this way. And we'll go 1 1/4 inch or 1/4, however you want to say it, right here. And I can just take any piece of little straight edge and right here, oops, you just put a mark there, 1 1/4 inch. Okay, so you do that to each side. Again, this is symmetrical both ways. Okay, so you can see we did finish all 4 sides with that angle. Now, the next thing we have to do is bring the angle down here to all 4 sides. So what we are going to do, if you look at this angle, it's 1.5 inches here, and this hem bend is 1/2 inch, so it's 2 inches wide. So we're going to measure from the edge out to this line 2 inches. So I'm just going to take the ruler and I'm going to measure 2 inches. Do the same thing here. 2 inches. And like Pee Wee Herman said before your time, connect the dots. La la la. Okay. As you can see, we did measure the 2 inches, and we connected these points. Now, if you look at the plan actually shows from those 2 points, there's lines going across. So let's do that next. So I line up where it touches that line, and we just draw it across. There you have the 2 lines.